to double with adding. Now we're going to look how to do double with multiplication. Multiplicative reasoning, okay? How many tens are here? 80. 80 tens. Because there's one digit, I know there must come 1 0. How many units? Only 4. If I'm struggling with tens and units, lightly I will take my pencil and write tens and units. Just to remind myself, where my tens, where's my units. Now I go. 80 times 8 times 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 8 times 2 is 16. 0 times 2 is 0. Like I said, 0 times 3 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. Anything times 0 will give me 0. Okay? 4 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 is equal to 8. So I see here's 100 tens and units now. Not tens and units only. Look there. 100 tens and units, and that's only a unit. Note, here's a multiplication sign, here's a multiplication sign, and this is a plus sign because I must now add my two answers to get to that answer. So that's 160 and 60 plus 8. 100 tens and units, only a unit. See any hundreds? No. So I bring my 100 over and I write him down. Is there any tens? No. I bring my 6 over and I write it down. Is there any units? Oh yes. 0 units plus 8 units is equal to 8 units here. Therefore, 84 double 84 is 168. I can also say 84 times 2 is equal to 168. What is 58 times 2? I'm breaking it up. This is the main reason we break up. Like this one, I could still say, no, that one also had to be broken up. So let's break this one also up. How many tens? 5 tens. There's one digit after my 5. Therefore, it's a 10 and we make it 50. How many units? 8. 5 times 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. 0 times 2 is 0. Now I know that's 100. 8 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. 10, 12, 14, 16. And I write it down, 16. And I write it in there as well. I have 100 tens and units, only tens and units. Is there any hundreds I can add? No. So that 100 stays 100. If I know my place value, I know what is 116. 100 plus 16 is equal to tens plus tens. 0 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 110. Units, 0 units plus 6 units is equal to 16. Therefore, 58 times 2 is equal to 116, or double 58 is 116. Now we will be looking at double 46. But we will be using times 2. I see I made my equal to sign there. There actually had to be a multiplication sign, but we'll fix that later. That's 4 10s. So 10 have 1 0 times 2 and 6 units. A unit never have a 0. 4 times 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8. 0 and 2 is always 0. 6 times 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is 80. Remember to multiply, plus for my answer because I must be adding these two. 80 plus 12. Both are tens and units, tens and units, tens and units. 8 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 9. 0 units plus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, double 46 is 92. Or 46 times 2 is equal to 92. Sometimes I will get the question like this. What is 46 times 2? And I can say 4 times 2 is 8. And that's a 10 plus 6 times 2. 12, and I can add it like that. It's 8 plus 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. 0 and 2 is 0, and I get my answer. But this is extremely complicated. I prefer you break it up like that. 25. Double 25, or let's say 25 times 2. That's 20 times 2. And how many units? 5 times 2. Times. I must add my two answers. That's, what is 2 times 2? 2, 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is always 0. 5 times 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Remember what I said, if I write my tens and my units underneath each other, I can see my answer. That's 40 plus 10 is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 0 units and 0 units is 0. Therefore, double 25 is 50, and 25 times 2 is equal to 50.